stock, again, on the best disposition or temperament or genetics or pedigree. They're looking for the cheapest dog available that will produce puppies, nothing else.
Sally and Tara's eye problems may be genetic too. All 3 dogs will be scheduled for surgery soon to treat their eyes.
There we go. Come on.
Limestone Kennel was part of a complex industry that is, in theory, closely regulated. Large-scale commercial kennels sometimes sell puppies direct to pet stores, but usually they sell to a broker who sells on to a pet store. Kennels that sell wholesale like this are subject to the Federal Animal Welfare Act and are licensed and inspected by the U.S. Department of Agriculture.
The USDA requirements are bare minimum, and in fact the law even states the word minimum requirements. And so just basic food and water, supposed to be clean and supposed to give them comfort from the bad weather, extremes of temperature. And that's basically it. I refer to those standards as survival standards. If you follow USDA standards, will a dog survive? Probably yes. But is it humane? Absolutely not.
Trailers hold 120 cages. Put up to 300 or 400 dogs in there probably. All right, here we go.
been killed in there and explain to her why it was taken. They're going in here, they're cutting down the fence. Go straight, go straight, go straight. It was a scam going on where these people take animals under false pretenses and sell them to research. These are people's pets. All these animals back here are all people's pets. Over here.
Chris DeRose waits in the marina for the suspect to return to his boat.
You got to be a real low form of life to take something that's living and feeling and take it away from a family who cares about their pet and take it and sell it to research. And they're getting between anywhere from $400 to $600 a dog, $100 a cat.
Hey Rick, my name is Chris DeRose. I'm with Last Chance for Animals. I'm investigating that pet theft.
That wasn't a pet theft.
Huh?
Wasn't no pet theft.
Well, what was it?
Huh? The dog followed me.
This woman was accused.
We followed this woman for 3 years. When we had the evidence, we went in with the SPCA and busted her. It does make you sick to think what people would do for money. That's all it is, it's just money. There are 3 classifications of dealers licensed by the United States Department of Agriculture, A, B, and C. A dealers are puppy mills, people that breed. They breed animals for research facilities. They breed for commercial reasons. That's an A dealer. I'm giving you a simplification version of it. C dealer are people who have show animals, show dogs, show horses, zoos, circuses, roadside shows, all have Class C licenses by USDA. A USDA Class B licensed dealer, we just call them B dealers, those are people that procure animals already in existence, for example, your dog, your cat, by stealing it, taking under false pretenses, free to good home ads. They take that animal and they turn around and they sell it to research facility. And they're licensed by the United States Department of Agriculture for it. That's why I call pet theft organized crime sanctioned by the USDA. This is what Class B dealers are. And it's been difficult to get it through Congress. We've had it in Congress now for 11 years. And it looks like we may get it going, get it through there pretty soon. But the problem is that the biomedical research community comes out and fights it, hook, line, and sinker, saying, we need these animals for research. It's going to stop all progress to mankind. Nothing could be further from the truth or just the opposite. As long as we keep doing research on